Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom calendar in Obsidian. We'll start inside Obsidian, so make sure the app is open with the vault you want to use. Think of your vault as the home for all your notes and the calendar you're about to build. On the left sidebar, you'll see your folders and files. We're going to give your calendar its own space, so it stays tidy and easy to find. Look for the option to create a new folder. It usually appears as a small folder icon with a plus sign in the File Explorer. When the new folder prompt opens, type a clear, memorable name that fits your workflow. Something like Calendar, Daily Notes, or Journal works well. The main goal is clarity, so you can instantly recognize it later. Hit Enter to create it. With the folder in place, click into it, then add a new note. This note can serve as a starter or placeholder, giving you a quick way to test the calendar flow in a moment. You might title it with today's date or something like First Calendar Note. Inside, add a short line like, "This is where my daily entries will go." That simple setup helps confirm everything is working once the calendar is active. Before we move on, it helps to think about how this folder will actually fit into your routine. A lot of people start strong with daily notes, but the structure only sticks if it's easy to use in the moment. So keep the folder close in your sidebar, and try to keep your note titles consistent from the beginning. This small habit makes your calendar feel less like a tool you open occasionally and more like a natural part of your workflow. Next, let's bring in the calendar tool. Look down to the bottom left of Obsidian and click the Settings icon. This opens your Vault settings, where you can enable community plugins. Navigate to the Community Plugins section, where you'll add features built by the Obsidian community. Click Browse to open the plugin marketplace. In the search bar, type Calendar. You'll see the popular Calendar plugin appear in the results. This plugin creates a calendar view inside Obsidian, lets you click a date to create or open a daily note, and makes it easy to move between days at a glance. Select the Calendar plugin to open its page, then click Install to add it to your setup. After that, click Enable to turn it on for your vault. Enabling ensures Obsidian can run the plugin's features immediately. Once that's done, close the Settings panel so you're back at your notes. Shift your attention to the right-hand side of the Obsidian interface. You should see a small calendar icon in the sidebar. Click it to open the calendar pane. You'll now have a clean monthly view right within Obsidian. Clicking on a date will either open an existing daily note or create a new one automatically depending on your setup. Since you already created a folder for your notes, it's easy to keep everything organized. If you want all daily notes to land in that folder, you can later adjust your daily notes settings so the calendar knows exactly where to place them. A simple way to start using this is to open today's date and write a quick entry, tasks, highlights, or a short journal note. Over time, your calendar becomes a fast navigation hub across all your daily entries without needing to search. And that's it. You opened Obsidian, created a dedicated folder, added a starter note, enabled community plugins, installed the calendar plugin, and launched it from the sidebar. Now you have a custom calendar in Obsidian ready to support your daily notes and planning. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides. See you in the next one.